So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into a cartoon without any software and for free. Now in order to do it, all you need to do, so just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same step from your smartphone as well. Now here you have to search for cartoon. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. And once it gets open, it will ask you to upload your image, and it's free. It says it's free, so you don't even need to pay anything. Just simply hit upload, and let's just select this image for an instance, and it will take some time to upload your image depending upon your internet speed. Now here all you need to do is just simply go to this option and hit cartoonizer, and here you're gonna find multiple options there that you can use, and even the sketches as well. There are multiple options that you can, for example, let's just hit any of this cartoon option. Let's select this one, and here it will take some time to apply the effect over your image, and you're gonna find results very soon. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.